Hi everyone, in this Oclef video we'll be talking about conducting stage 3. Conducting stage 3 is where you are no longer tapping out the pulse of the song while playing, but actually conducting the beats of the song. Conducting is an added challenge in coordination since the movements are more complex. It's best to practice and get the conducting motion down before playing and conducting together. Each time signature will have a different conducting pattern. However, most patterns can be broken down into counts of 2, 3, or 4. For a 2-count conducting pattern, you simply move your hand in a V motion with a little bounce at the bottom to emphasize the beat, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For a 3-count conducting pattern, imagine an uppercase L, where you bounce at every corner of the letter, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For 4 counts, imagine an upside down T, where you're bouncing off of every point, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something to keep in mind when conducting is to make sure you emphasize the beat with a bounce. Oftentimes you'll have a tendency to want to wave your arm in the air, however the bouncing movement keeps the pulse, while allowing you to see where every pulse lands. And this concludes our video on conducting stage 3. Thanks for watching!